All right, Grindhouse 2025 programming language tier list. Let's go, people. I mean, this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. Today's stream is gonna be the deciding factor on my streaming career. Because if I mess this up, I'm gonna lose everyone's trust. I'm gonna lose every. I'm just kidding. How's it going, guys? Larry, why am I hearing myself actually? Okay, wait. Yeah, of course. I forgot how to do streams, guys. Like, what's poppin', my man? Let me just announce the stream, because this is very important. We gotta have more people in this. More people should witness this moment in history. They should see, they should just agree and consume, internalize the facts. Jesus, man. Okay, one sec. I'm just like posting stuff on Twitter now. Of course, I'm a streamer. What do you expect? I'm just gonna post my stuff on Twitter. Let me just post this. Programming language tier list 2025. Let's go, people. All right. If you watched, actually, Larry, man, have you watched the last year's stream? I think you were there, right? You're one of the OGs, if I remember correctly. You're one of the OGs. I think you might have been a part of the original Grindhouse Foundation as well. If that's the case, yeah, you were there probably. 2024. I mean, last year's stream was hella controversial. It was very controversial. I liked it. I was very satisfied with it. And now today, yeah, I remember you, man, of course. And today out of all the things that we could do, out of all the projects that I can work on, you know, I could write Rust, I could write freaking JavaScript or whatever, but we decided to just come here together and just like rank those tools. I think this is a very important moment in history, guys. Yeah, I remember you. Yeah, Emirhan, I know you, man. I mean, come on, you're one of the OGs. I remember you. Don't worry about it. I mean, you were in the grindline streams, right? Dude, I never forget, but I didn't want to expose your name. That's why I was just saying your nickname, bro. Anyways, yeah, it's a very important moment, guys. So I think over time we'll have more people on the stream, but let me just set this up for getting started, okay? Programming language tier list. Community rankings. So, alright, we have one. This is kind of like limited. We don't even have Rust here. We have a Rust actually, but anyways. So I'm gonna just open up. Oh, I've just realized I don't have dark reader on. Jesus Christ, man. Sorry, my bad. Okay. What is this? It is already sorted, and no, this is not what I want. So we have S, A, F tiers. Is there a good one actually? Is there a good one? Let's just find a good one. Jeez, that's quite a bit of languages here. So what did I do last year? Let me just find that one. How am I gonna find that though? Okay, I found it. So last year, S, A, B, C, D, F. So we did one of these tier lists. We don't have the F tier on this one. We don't have the F tier. We need an F tier, guys. What is this? Oh no, this is not controversial enough. We should do something super controversial, I think, today. remix. What is this? Go to template. Let's just go to template. Go to template. Okay. Presentation mode. What is this? Nope. Can we upload our own? Oh, we have GigaChat. Good. Okay, just don't do this. For real people, for softies. Okay, interesting. Create a tier list. Dude, how can I reset this thing? How can I reset? I don't know how to do this actually. Live voting poll. What is this? Nope, I'm not logging in. Anyways, guys, let's just go with one of these. I think it's gonna work. We're fine. One of these. Let me find the empty one. ChatGPT, not Chat. Okay, programming language tier list. One of them was empty. Oh man, Visual Basic. Any Visual Basic fans in the chat? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna like, you know, go to template. Just gonna freaking do this. Oh my god, it should be an easy way of doing this, but whatever. I'm just suffering here, guys. MySQL is not a programming language, is it? Is it? It's not a programming language. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's just go. Hello, welcome. Let's just go. Okay, dark reader on or off. Okay, let's just off for now. Presentation mode. Alright. Alright, guys. Are we ready? Let's create a new one. We can create a new one, yeah. I think we can create a new one. Make a template, new tier lists. No, make a template. Template name. Programming languages. What? There's so many things that I don't even know. Anyways, guys, let's just go. So what are we doing? What is this logo? Okay, it's Rust. So let's just start with, why am I lagging, by the way? I'm not even running anything in the background. It's just Firefox and OBS. Jesus. Anyways, let me just start this off by saying Rust logo. We need a white Rust logo though. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the Rust logo. Not the wrong one. Let's just use the wrong Rust logo, guys. Just for the laughs, okay? Tier list. Rust logo. No, okay. Let me just get serious here. Let me just get serious. Let me just use an actual logo here. Okay, Rust. Which tier? Very serious question, by the way. Guys, okay. S tier. S tier. Any objections? Rust is S tier. I mean, come on. Come on. Right? Somebody's gonna say F and we're gonna ban them. First, ban everyone. Ban whoever says that Rust is like below A tier. Okay, actually below S tier. Just gonna put Rust there, okay? Simple. We have a winner already. S plus. It's actually good point. Good point. S plus is good point. All right. Let's move on to JavaScript. You know what? Let's have some guidelines for this actually because otherwise I'm just gonna be super personal here. Give me some guidelines for deciding for my programming language tier list. This year we're more advanced than last year. We included AI in our workflow this year. This is great. What happened to my prompt? Give me some rules for programming language tier list. All right. Actively enjoy using it, and it doesn't really matter. Okay, how are we gonna evaluate stuff? Community health. Fuck it, this is too much text. I'm not reading it. JavaScript, let's put it in C, guys. Let's put it in C. Or D, maybe. You know what? I don't know why I'm still lagging. It's probably because of the dark reader. So JavaScript, I'm gonna just put it in D for now. Yeah, I'm not reading all that. So D for now, but we can change it. I mean, I don't know who's gonna be in D next to JavaScript, so you never know. We could have a strong competition in D, so maybe I would put in F or C, whatever. It's very difficult because we have limited number of letters, whatever the fuck that is. Anyways, Matlab, D tier. D because of React. Okay, Matlab, guys. Opinions on Matlab. Is Matlab even a programming language? Sorry for asking controversial questions. Actually, I'm not sorry. Is Matlab even a programming language? Yes. Okay, we're gonna go with comparisons here. Is Matlab better than JavaScript? Paid programming language. It's a paid actor. Matlab is a paid actor in this game. Matlab is probably not better than JavaScript in many ways. Because JavaScript is like, you know, JavaScript is JavaScript. It's bad, everyone hates it, but everyone uses it, so it has some kind of a charm, you know. But Matlab, dude, let's just put enough. Let's just put enough. Put that shit enough, man. All right, HTML5, guys. HTML. I mean, I like HTML personally. It's not that cursed. Now I'm saying, like, it's not CSS or JavaScript. HTML is HTML. It's simple. Not a language, dude. Come on, it's a markup language. Got you there. A tier. no, not A tier. Calm down there a bit, okay? I mean, I like HTML, but not that much, you know. Cursed HTML. Let's see how cursed HTML. Cursed texture. Okay, there's an. Sorry for light team again, but otherwise my computer goes crazy. Anyways, HTML5 is better than it's a markup language, not a general purpose programming language. Shaking my head, dude. I'm gonna just put it in C. I'm gonna put it in C, guys. Okay, moving on. No one can object here. This is my tier list. I'm a dictator. I make these decisions. I don't care what you think. This is perfect, okay? Don't clip this. MySQL is closer to a general purpose programming language than HTML. We already have triggered some people. Caleb. Don't take this seriously, okay? Don't take this seriously. I think HTML is Turing complete, so a legit programming language. We're gonna have language wars in the chat in a second. Ferris, be prepared, please. I'm gonna just put HTML in C. Alright. Moving on. Moving on to Lua. B tier. Lua's B tier. Any objections? Lua is great, okay? Lua is great. Maybe A tier. Okay, Lua code. Let's see some Lua code, guys. Actually, okay, never mind. Let me just pick something random here. What is Lua used for? Lua. Boom. It's a shitty team, but whatever. Boom, guys. Perfect. Look at this. Neovim. Gaming stuff. Neovim. It's great. Love it. I'm actually just, yeah. Lua. OpenType font spec is Turing complete too. I don't see that here. We're gonna add that, Caleb, because you said A or S for Lua. Hell no. Actually, B tier is so fair. Yeah, I mean, what is the downside of Lua? What is bad about Lua? Oh man, why am I lagging so hard today? What is going on with this live stream? A for Lua. Everyone loves Lua. So I think B is fair. B is fair. Is this Haskell? Yes. Haskell. I'm gonna just put it in B. Again, Haskell. I mean, I don't have much experience with Haskell, but heard good things. It's cool. It's chill. It's like that dude when you go to a party, as if I go to a lot of parties. When you go to a party, there's this dude that is your friend's friend and he's cool. Haskell is that for me, okay? So I just like a friend's friend or something like that. So I just have some kind of a sweet spot for Haskell, okay? I think it's chill, but I don't know what you guys think about Haskell. No Haskell programmers in the chat. It's kind of disappointing. Downside of Lua, the ecosystem fragmentation between Lua, Lua and others. It's hard when you have to target multiple divergent interpreters. Yeah. Haskell gets an A or B for sure. It sounds logic. All right, good. I mean, we are on the same page here. No language wars yet, dude. I should be more controversial in the stream. I'm failing right now. I'm failing. All right, let's move on to Java. D tier. Java D tier. Boom. Let me give you some reasons for that. First one, you left HTML5 in there. That's going to disqualify the whole chart. Dude, I like HTML. I'm just going to keep it in there. So, Java. Java is A tier, sadly. Sadly. Why do you say that? How is Java A tier, man? Come on. How is what? It's definitely S tier, guys. Come on, next to Rust, Rust and Java, like two homies. Ride or die. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just next to Rust all the time, dude. I mean. Oh my God. What is this tier list? Alright, I'm just gonna put it in D. It's next to JS. I mean, come on. JavaScript, Java. JavaScript, Java. It's like, like B tiers used to be D, but after Java 19 suck less. Dude, I'm just gonna put it in D. I mean, Java is good. Don't get me wrong, but its legacy. It is not the cool thing anymore. There are so many other things, so just gonna put it in the A tier for say. Let's just move on to Go. I'm gonna put Go in A tier. I'll put Go in A tier. It's good. I mean, performance and stuff. Nothing bad about Go. Of course, it's not as good as Rust. Come on, right? Right? Go is Go, guys. Go is alright. Go is okay. Go is, for me, Go is not good. Okay, Go is good. Let me just say that. There are actually different levels to it. Go is good. Let's say A tier is good, B tier is alright, C tier is fine, D tier is meh, and F is just nah. Okay, can I actually edit that? I can. So good, alright. What was this one? Nah. We're gonna put the emoji here. Do we have the throw up emoji? Or trash emoji? Bin. Okay, we're gonna just put this emoji here. S is like fire. Boom. Best tier list ever. So Go is good. So I'm gonna just put that in A tier. No objections I see, so we're just gonna move on. Let's do Perl. Where do we place Perl, guys? Perl. Let's do cursed Perl code. That it can get. I got disconnected for a second, but I should be back now. So let me just refresh my tab. 1 second. B. A, not gonna lie, okay. Cursed Perl is just this. Why is it so high, guys? I mean, why is it good? Use cases of Perl. I'm just learning stuff here. A legend, still the best JX backend around. The rest gets a bit gnarly fast. I think I get what you mean. Yeah. So we're gonna just respect the OG, I guess, here. I personally, I don't have any experience with Perl, but putting that in A tier I think would be fair, or maybe B, I don't know. Probably A, because Perl, I don't remember Perl getting any hate or any heat or anything negative for some reason. So it's like that guy in the class that everyone respects, you know, like the quiet kid, no one gets around him. That's Perl, I guess. I don't know, maybe that was a bad, that wasn't the best explanation, but whatever. Moving on. What is this, by the way? Is this Bash? Yeah, Bash. I mean, Bash is good. Bash is good. This is gonna be a bit controversial, I think. Bash, guys, what do you think about Bash? I think this is gonna be controversial a bit. Bash, cursed Bash code. No, it's good. I like it. Pretty good. This is also pretty good. S tier. Actually, more that I look at cursed Bash code, I like it even more. I like it even more. Because it's like complex. It can get complex, hard to read. and painful, but when you look into it, it actually makes sense, and you kind of like understand it, why it is that way. Maybe it's S tier. Maybe it's S tier. Maybe this year it's the year of Bash, maybe. Fantastically universal and very powerful, too easy to mess up, do wrong, and you don't learn until long after deployment. You say that and I hear S tier. Caleb is just gonna leave the stream really soon. This whole stream is just like trying to make Caleb leave. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. But S tier. S tier. Bash is okay. This year, Bash is S tier. I don't care. All right. What is this book emoji? Book. PowerShell. Oh shit. No, bro. F. PowerShell F, guys. PowerShell. Nope. 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 I mean, I don't even know this logo. PowerShell logo. F minus. Z tier. Okay. F minus. We just like put that there. R. Let's do R. I don't know. Just C. C. Meh. R is R. I don't know. I no idea. Like, it's fine, I guess, you know. You can just put it next to HTML5. They can hang out to. I feel like HTML5 and R can just like they could be like a good duo. So I'm just gonna put them next to each other. Isn't R just Matlab but a bit better? Yeah, I mean, right now I look at this and I feel like JavaScript is too low, guys. JavaScript. Okay, we're gonna just do this actually. We're just gonna do this, guys. I think this is more fair because HTML5, JavaScripts, I think they're better in terms of being friends. Yeah, it's for statistics, so whatever that is. So yeah, we're just gonna put that there. Welcome to the stream, by the way, everyone who just joined. We're just gonna try to like find them like the most triggering and the most like biased tier list ever, so it's going so fun right now. Python, let's do Python, guys. I'm gonna just put it in B tier, or maybe C. Let me just put it in C tier. I'm just gonna put it in C tier, guys. Okay. Cursed. This is the worst tier list ever. So what happened in the Python ecosystem in 2025? Look it up. C tier. Everyone's like C tier. Yeah. All right, let's see what they did. No Python 4 on the horizon. Okay, C tier. Immediate C tier. Leon's is just A. You're the only A, bro. I respect that. You're a minority in the Python tier listing. I mean, look at this. New tools gaining popularity. Tools like UV. It's Rust based. Rust based. PyPI. Okay, you know what? More that I read this, more that I think that Python should be below C. But anyways, I'm just gonna stop reading and I'm gonna just continue. I'm just gonna continue. Okay, what is this thing? Is this Ruby? Probably. Ruby, guys. Where do I place this? I have no clue. I have no clue. Maybe C again. Not B or A for sure. Not S. Come on, it's not S tier. Maybe C or D. Ruby. Any thoughts on Ruby? F? Probably not F. I mean, that would be so ruthless. Maybe D. What happened? What happened in Ruby ecosystem in 2025? Look it up for me. Rubin F because of the HH. Zero bias. I see that. Okay, some text. I'm not reading all this, to be honest, but let me just skim through really quickly. Rails 8.1. I see nothing here. Sorry, but like, okay, just the. I'm gonna just put in the. Gonna put in the next to Java. What is this little bird over there? This little bird. Latex. Latex. I have no clue about this one. Probably not so high, because I don't know much about it. You know, this is my tier list, so if I don't know a language, then it's just below B. Problem. You're going to need more room in C for C++, C, Python, JS, moving nice. They don't need to hang out in the losers. They are going to feel the C and D or F. I mean, it's not F probably. It's not. I'm gonna just put in the. Any Latex users. B, but the Rust alternative is S. Latex is pretty horrible to work with. My experience just sucked though. Latex also F because types smoked them. Boom. It's F tier. Done. Thank you, Ferris. And I know way too much about Latex. I'll just put it in F. Just put it in F, because everyone used types now, so yeah, just gonna put it in F. Caleb, since you said C, C++, C Sharp, and so on, let's just go with C. What do we place C? I'll just say that C is alright. C is alright. What happened in C ecosystem in 2025? I think C is alright. A is too high. But I mean, C is good though, right? C is actually good. We don't need to be convinced by this text. You know what? C is good, man. C is good. I'm gonna just put it in A. You're right. Zeno facts CS2. C is good. C++, put it in B. Put it in B. I don't know. It's alright. It's alright. I mean, C good. C programmer is mostly bad. Yeah. Controversial take. I like it. Okay, you know what? C++, alright. It's fair, right? Guys, what do you think? What happened? Let's just ask the same question. How about C++? C++ probably they did more things, but still I think it's just B. Alright, moving on. C Sharp, D tier. C Sharp, D tier. Just nah. C Sharp, any C Sharp programmers, C Sharp. I'm just gonna put it in D next to Java and Ruby and R. This tier list was very fair so far. Only exception that I kind of made was Bash, and that's because I just like it. No way it's on the same level as Java. Do you think it should be higher or lower? C tier, so it should be higher. I mean, if we do that, we're just gonna put it in the same level as JS and HTML and Python. And Python is, I think, better than C Sharp in some ways. In most, yeah. And JavaScript is, I mean, HTML is a good competitor to, in this case, it's a good comparison You know, HTML5 or C#? It's actually C# is better than... I don't know. Let's just keep it that way for now. Let's just keep it that way. Visual Basic. I'm gonna just put it in D tier as well. Actually, Visual Basic, since I have a soft spot for it, I'll put it in D, but normally I would put it in F because it's Visual Basic. But you know what? I'm gonna do a little bit of an update here. I'm gonna just move C# up there and put Visual Basic on the same level as Java, because otherwise I think I would put Visual Basic to F because it's not on the same level or better than C#. So Visual Basic, it's gonna be in D. What a yapping session, man. What is this live stream? I'm just yapping straight for 36 minutes. Jesus. Any objections? So far, everyone's happy, right? Is there anyone, like, apart from Caleb, is there anyone who's who's not happy about this tier list? Please, just be open now. Communicate that you are not happy, you're not satisfied with the current ranking, because it's gonna get even worse from here. It's gonna get way worse from here. Gonna have to go make my own list. Yeah, I know, man. I know. Okay, I think I don't see anyone typing. I don't see anyone complaining. So I just C++ too high, not gonna lie. Actually, good evening. Welcome. C++ too high. Actually, let me just think about this for a second. You might be right, because we put that on the same level with Lua and Haskell. I mean, I don't want to compare. Yeah, I mean, I think C++ is just on the middle of B and C. Hot take: swap C++ and C#. Nah, bruh. I would put C++ here, but I wouldn't put C# to B. Lua and Haskell both need a bump up. Perl can come down to join C++. Actually, I'm gonna just put Lua in A. You're right. Perl, I'm gonna just put that in there. Actually, you're right. Yeah. Haskell, I'm gonna just put it on B though. Just put it in B for now. All right, I'm gonna just move on, guys. I think it's fine. What does Haskell actually contribute to society, though? Think about it. You're forcing me, man. You're forcing my hand here. What does actually contribute to society? Let's just ask that to ChatGPT. What does Haskell actually contribute to society? Concrete examples. Let's learn about this. Financial systems. Okay, cryptocurrencies. Actually, more that I read this, Haskell just like gets a downgrade in my mind. But let's see. All right. Basically nothing. So I'm gonna just put Haskell on C tier. No, I cannot do that, bro. I mean, look, HTML5 and Haskell, like what the hell, you know? JavaScript, it's not same as JavaScript or Python or C#, so I'm gonna just put that on B. I think it's fair that way. All right, moving on. Swift. No. Swift. F. Any objections? I'm gonna just put it in F tier. Maybe it's D, but it's very close to just, you know, it's on the edge of D. So it's very mild F. We're gonna trigger so many people with this one, I feel like. Swift. Let's do Swift. Apple. Okay, it's F tier, guys. F tier. Done. Moving on. MySQL. D tier. D tier. Is it even a programming language? Is MySQL even a programming language? I mean, is it like, you know, Turing complete, or like can you actually write funky stuff with it? No. So why is it MySQL here? It's probably SQL. Let's just think of this as SQL. Okay. I think it's C. No, let's just put D. Okay, it's D. Just do D tier. B tier. Why, dude? Like, it's just SQL. Why is it B tier? I think B is too high. We have better stuff than SQL probably. What are the better alternatives to SQL? There's well, these are just abstraction stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna just put it in D. What is this thing? Lisp. Lisp. Anyone who wanna say which tier is this? Because I mean, just for the logo, I would give S tier. Just for the logo, I would just say S tier. But I wanna be realistic here. So Lisp. Lisp. Cursed Lisp code. Ah, shit. The parentheses. The parentheses hell. Right. It's probably not S tier. It's probably not good. It's probably alright. But I mean, what are the use cases for Lisp? What are the use cases for Lisp? We need something concrete. I mean, it's just thinking for a long time. Emacs. Lisp is super easy to write parsers for if you need DSL for any purpose. Lisp should be a top contender. Emacs. Scheme Lily Pond. I don't know what Lily Pond is. So is it like, is it alright? I think it's alright, right? I think it's alright. I mean, it's probably... Is it better than Python? I'm gonna just put it in C tier, guys. I'm gonna just put it in C. What is this? FTN. What is FTN? Fortran. DOG. I'm gonna just put it in... Put it in A tier. Waiting to see the PHP tier. Keep waiting, bro. PHP is gonna be the next one, alright? Fortran A tier. Any objections? Fortran. PHP book in the background. What are you... No, what are you talking about? There's no PHP book in the background. I don't know what you're talking about. Like... No, there isn't any book. Fortran. Dude, Fortran is a legend. Fortran is better than Lisp. Right, PHP dry Lambo, it's that simple. Absolutely. Bro, Fortran, we're talking about Fortran. Is Fortran better than Lisp? One sentence answer. Yes or no? No. No, it's better. No, it's better. It's for me it's better, so I'm gonna just put in an A. Let's actually put it. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it next to Lisp actually. I don't know if you guys have any like specific opinions about Fortran or Lisp, just let me know, because that's not my area of expertise. My area of expertise is actually PHP. Alright, PHP. Which tier is this? S tier. I'm gonna just put an S tier. PHP fans, show yourself. I'll just put an S tier. Good language. PHP might be C these days. It has moved up from F back in the day. Most improved over the decades. Word my G. My G, bro. Okay, so let's be real here. PHP's logo suck, so we would put it in. This is very difficult for me. It's actually really difficult for me. PHP is S tier. PHP book and dinosaur looks very close friends. Bro, okay, I'll just put an A. A tier. The fuck is this tier list? Oh my god. You know what? Since I have this book, okay? Since I have this book, I'ma just put it in A tier. I'll just put it in A tier. Actually, B tier. Let's do B tier. Let's just do B tier. It's alright. It's alright. PHP is alright. Right. Assembly. S tier. Immediately S tier. Like Insta S tier. Assembly. Any objections? Assembly. I mean, come on. It's like AS, you know, S tier. Assembly. It had two S's in the word. So assembly is in a language. Too late. It's now. It is. There's a language now. It's in the tier list. Okay, I see no objections. Powershell is S tier. No, what are you talking about? Alright, it's just S tier. So this is probably CSS, right? CSS tree logo. Yeah. Nah. CSS is just D tier. Actually, we might put it in. No, it's not F tier. It's D tier probably. I'm just gonna put it in D tier. Kotlin. Kotlin, assembly is tier as long as it's not at 1% T syntax. Is that the HTML3 logo? HTML? No, it's CSS. Kotlin is better than Java. F. F tier. Okay, Kotlin. Let's just put Kotlin in D and downgrade Java to F. How about that? How about that? Is everyone happy now? Actually, Java is not that bad. I mean, we have Matlab. F is kind of high for Java. Kotlin and Dartboard need to be one line above Java. All three need to be sub-zero somewhere. I like that. Okay, you know what? Let's just keep it that way, and let's just have, what was it? Dart logo. Let's just put Dart in the map. Dart programming language logo. That's the logo. This is the first time that I'm seeing this, by the way. Anyways, browse Dart. So Dart, yeah, I'm just gonna put it next to Kotlin. Everyone is happy. This was not my goal with this live stream. I just wanted to trigger people, but everyone is on the same page. I like that actually. It's good. It's good. Okay, what are we missing? We have actually another Rust. I'm gonna just put Rust here again. So 2 Rusts just to make sure, just to emphasize that it's S tier. If you put C# in C tier, Java must be higher. No. I disagree with that statement. So MySQL got snubbed. Guys, let's just end this debate. HolyC logo. HolyC. You know what's gonna happen, right? You know what we're gonna do? It's the worst. Okay, let's just put an S tier. HolyC S tier. It's the best language ever. S plus. Python should be there. High with Rust. No, I mean, guys, we're talking about HolyC here, so I think we should just move everything to F minus and just leave HolyC in S tier. How about that? C++, Python, S tier. What are the other languages that we're missing? What are the other languages? Anyone who wants to add to the list? C++, Python is S tier, everything else is F tier. Alright, what are we missing, people? What are we missing? JS? No, we have JavaScript here. What are we missing? COBOL. COBOL. Let's do COBOL. COBOL PNG. COBOL logo PNG. What happened to the music? What the fuck? Programming language. What the fuck? Which one is the COBOL? What? Doesn't have a logo, so I don't know. OCaml, yeah, good one. OCaml programming language logo. I couldn't find COBOL, so I'm just gonna skip it. They should first like get a proper logo or something. So OCaml. Where do we place OCaml? I think it's in B tier. Straight up. Wait, why is Rust twice? Why not? Just to make sure, you know. One is nightly. You got me there. Jesus, man. Fucking hell. Yeah, one is nightly and the other one is stable. We just added twice because, you know, different channels, different tool chains, and whatever. Jesus. Alright, OCaml, pretty chill. What else? Zig, yeah. Zig programming language logo. Zig. No, I don't want to save just yet. We're still adding stuff. Zig. Good. Zig is good. Zig is good. What are those words, man? I don't know any of those, any of the things that you say. Erlang. Erlang. Okay, Erlang. What is Erlang, by the way? Like, which tier? Which tier is it? Do we have like a JPEG? Nope. Which tier is Erlang? A. Poor Python. I don't know, man. Like Erlang. I mean, what the hell is Erlang? What the hell is Erlang? B. A. What the hell? Like Erlang is apparently built to keep systems alive and everything is on fire. That's a kick-ass description for a programming language. Is that the official thing? Okay. Okay. I'm just putting D, I guess. I don't know. WhatsApp is built on it. Okay, then it's definitely D tier. Elixir. Elixir, good one. Elixir. Which tier is Elixir? Let's do this one maybe. It's a web P. It's a proper. Okay, how do I upload? Meh, I guess. C tier. Yeah, let's just do C tier for Elixir. What else, guys? What are we missing? What are we missing? I can take a look at last year's programming language tier list, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm gonna just copy this thing. What other actual maybe popular programming languages am I missing in this list? Gleam, Crystal, Nim, Racket, Siege. Dude, there's so many things. Okay, TypeScript. Objective-C. Okay, Objective-C. Let me just do that while we're at it. Objective-C. Which tier is it, guys? Which tier is it? We already have Lisp. Objective-C. I'm gonna just put it in F. I spent like 10 seconds just to do that. Dart. I think we have Dart. Zig, Nim, Crystal. Crystal. Let's do. Did we do Crystal? Probably not. Crystal. I mean, what is? Which tier is this? Guys, Crystal. I'm just put it in C. Nix is a programming language. Okay, so many generic stuff. Let's have awk here. Awk. Let's do AWK logo. Do they have a logo? Programming language. It's not. Is it a programming language? Nix programming language logo. I couldn't find a logo for awk. Nix OS. S plus. Come on, Caleb. What are you talking about? Port not to Nix. No. I mean, it's alright, I guess. It's overrated as hell, in my opinion, but I think it's alright. Maybe C, F. I'm just put it in C. If you rank Elixir low, I might need to find out where you live. Oh man. Alright, what else? What are we missing? I'm just gonna skip the like, I don't know, small like kind of niche ones. Just want something big. TypeScript. Maybe we can do TypeScript. Yeah, let's just do that. Why don't we have TypeScript? Let's have TypeScript. TypeScript, which tier, guys? So remember, JavaScript is here, so maybe TypeScript B, but not B. I mean, we put PHP on B tier. Remember? TypeScript is owned by Microsoft, F tier, F. TypeScript B. Not a programming language. It's very difficult at this point. Just put in B, I guess. But I'm not super happy with this because we put Haskell, Perl, C++, I mean OCaml and TypeScript on the same tier. Microsoft makes it F actually, yeah, I mean we're just gonna put it in F. Microsoft, because of Microsoft, it's F. I think it's fair. There you go. Boom. If someone asks what the fuck, I'm just gonna say it's Microsoft. It's Microsoft's fault. It's all about Microsoft, okay? Remember, we are together in this, okay? We're together in this. So if I share this tier list on socials tomorrow, and if I get a lot of heat, if I get cancelled, it's on you partly. So we're just, you know, we're in this together, people. We're in this together. Alright, we did the TypeScript, Kotlin, Julia. Nah. Okay, what else? Move Java above C#. I mean, I don't know any of these things. MicroPython, we don't need that. Is there any like specific ones that we can deliberately put in F just because we need to? Next to an Emacs and Vim tier list, there's only one right answer. Official C++ logo is Keith. The rat. You like rats, right? Dude, don't do that to me. Come on, don't do that to me. I mean, C++, it's already in B tier, man. Come on. Don't do that. Don't just like... It's my sweet spot. Don't do it. Why Go is ranked so high? Are you on a page? Bro. Yeah, we're together, you and who else? Sign my name in the dissenters list. If for another reason then I'm a Protestant and you put a Catholic joke in the S tier, bro. Okay, not with you, Caleb, but the other people. I mean, of course, you're just like you're one separate entity at this point, and we're just like not on the same page about most of the things. But it's good, man. I love you. I love you. Thanks for updating my Arch packages. Cold Fusion, Scala. Those were the days. Scala programming language. I think it's shitty, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's shitty. I'm just putting F tier, brother. ActiveX. Actually, is that a program language? ActiveX, F tier, Scala F tier. Is that's a engine, no? Oh, basic. You're right. We're missing basic. Yeah, I mean, come on, it's not a program language. Basic programming language. What the fuck is the logo for that? Let's just have this. I'll just copy that. Basic. It's probably not the logo. Fortran. I think we have Fortran now. We have Fortran somewhere. Yeah, it's here on C tier. Bro, you got CSS on there. Lichess is maintained, which is person fate and Scala. Bro, yeah, it's hard to make everyone happy. Basic is nah. Scratch. What was it? Scratch. Yeah, Scratch. Let's do Scratch. What do you guys think about Scratch? It's a cat, first of all. It's not a rat, so but it's either C or D. Scratch. D tier, it helps kids, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna just put it next to basic. Alright, what else? What else? What else? Give me the list of programming languages. Latex is there, so Typescript there too. Written in Rust, by the way. Does it have a logo? That's a kawaii logo. Okay, let's just have types too, since you said that. Let's just have it. Latex is where exactly? I cannot see it. Where is it? Oh, it's here. Okay. Types. I might just put it in. What the fuck is this logo? It's so bad. I cannot get rid of it as well. I mean, it's just okay. Can I just remove this? No. What the fuck? Okay, types. Let me just put it there. S tier, guys. What? By the way, Bionicle were written in C++. Bro, don't say stuff like that, okay? That's just like, that's a. Yeah, don't do that to me. I would just put C++ on S tier then. Solidity. Not sure. Move JS down once since you could not move it. Okay, since I cannot move this, I'm gonna just put JS on the S tier. Anyways, I cannot really just, yeah. It's just stuck here. Just stuck here with the worst logo ever. APL. I don't know what that is. Kotlin, Swift, PHP, Ruby, D, Objective-C, F#. Oh, F#. We skipped F#. Where's Scala? Somewhere there. You're missing two go-like langs. Hydrus and Gleam. Mojo. Nope. Let's do F#. Where's F#, people? It's alright. It's probably not alright. Let me just put it in C. OCaml level. Really? Why? Explain why it's OCaml level. Why is it alright? I'm actually waiting for you to explain now. I mean, F# is chill. F# is chill, so I'll just maybe put it next to OCaml. Scala literally provided generics for Rust. What the fuck? Most of Scala devs will become. Where's Scala? Where did I put Scala? Dude, I am lost in this tier list. Is this Scala? It's probably Scala, right? I'll just put it in F. I don't know. Most Scala devs will become Rust devs in short feature. It's in F. Okay, maybe since you said that, I'm gonna just put it in D, or maybe C. But only because you said that. Just I trust you. If you don't get more Rust devs in the future, in the short future, I'll just put it in F again. All right, Rainwald. I trust you, man. I trust you. So F sharp. POSIX shell. Sed, Groovy, Fortran, Julian, Matlab, OCaml. I think we covered most of the things. Small talk. Nah. I think we good, guys. Add Rosetta logo at S. Good. Good thinking. Rosetta logo. Not this Rosetta, come on. I meant this Rosetta. Let's add Rosetta to S tier, people. Rank Gleam. Okay, we're gonna do Gleam in a second. Let me just put this thing here. Gleam logo. Alright, where do we put Gleam? It's very low resolution image. Gleam. Where do we place this? It's alright. What is HolyC TempleOS bootstrapped written in? Salmons. It's from scratch. It's bootstrapped from God's instructions. That's not Gleam's logo. I don't know what Gleam's logo is, and I cannot remove it anymore. So RIP, guys. Just gonna put this in F tier. Did I miss Swift? Yeah, Swift is here. Put binary there. And do you think Tay would have enjoyed Rust? Yeah, I think so. All assembly, yeah, probably. Yeah, I mean, HolyC was... Dude just wrote his own programming language, own fucking everything. I'm getting distracted. So what are we doing now? Oh, the Gleam logo. Gleam programming language logo. Oh, there you go. This one's the logo, right? Oh, this is Krabby. This is Krabby. Little crab. It's an SVG though. What happened to the music? I'll just use this one actually. It's again Gleam. Hopefully we will be able to use SVG here. Nope. I'll just take a screenshot of this actually. I don't care at this point. Gleam. Oh. Let's put it in alright here. If you're a Twitter-driven developer, you would know about Gleamlang. I guess, yeah, you're right, probably. You're probably right. Guys, what else? What else are we missing now? Let me just share this tier list with ChatGPT again. No, I didn't see it. What am I missing from mainstream ones? I think we covered everything. Oh, then no, I don't know. I have no idea about those languages. Dart, we did that. Elixir, we did that. Odin, as mentioned, is great. C++ already impossible to understand, but Odin is like superset. Maybe rank prompts and vibes. HTML, we have that. ASP. ASP isn't that like C sharpy? Like C sharpy kind of. Guys, I think I'm happy with how it turned out. This is last year's one, and you can see a bit of differences, but mostly we're on the same kind of like same page. But anyways, I'll go. Guys, I think I'm done. Let's just do some edits here, in case you have any opinions. React is a language now. Okay. Where's the OGC? C is here in good. Do you have Fortran? Yeah, it's here in C tier. I think this is in good shape. I see no comments. Why Typescript is at the bottom? It's because Microsoft. 2 Rust, yeah, one of them is nightly and the other one is stable. Noob question, what do you have 2 Rust logos? Macro. Yeah, I mean, like I said, two Rusts because one of them is nightly Rust. Why is MySQL below JS? I hate all JS, but TypeScript is genuinely better than JavaScript. I don't know. Just turned out to be like that. You even have a raffle language. Ship it. Actually, let me just save it. Download image. Oh, what did I do? What the fuck just happened? What the hell just happened? What did I do? Okay, did we just lose everything? That's awesome. We just lost everything. At least I was live streaming. At least I was live streaming. Okay, let me just get the image from live stream. Jesus. I'm gonna just take a screenshot from the live stream. Guys, we can't edit the list anymore. Just saying. Just saying. No, it's gone. It's permanent now. It's permanent now. Alright, this was the final list, I think. We are cooked. Dude, that's not my fault. It's because of the website. It just like deleted all my images. RIP. We cannot edit it. It's final tier list is here, guys. Taking a screenshot here and boom, we're done. Download. Tier list. Alright. Firefox tier list. What? Okay, Firefox. All right, guys, this is the end. This is the end. We cannot edit it. Microsoft watching. Should not say bad about Microsoft. Maybe it's because you put Python too low or too high. You should redact Golang, but when copy paste this shows. Should make it try to cancel the tier list. Yeah, I mean it's, of course, that's what happened. Could I created tier list 2 in... Yeah, that would be so great actually. You should. Length files redacted. Does Haskell images work? Yeah, there's a Ratatouille image crate that you can use for that. But it was funny because literally just like the website just cancelled us. So yeah, that's what happened. What is it like? Alright, let me just download this again. It's the shitty quality, but what are you gonna do? You know? It's right there. No, we cannot edit it anymore, guys. It's just like this. It's the final shape. Let me just edit edit this video really quick and just update the thumbnail. So we are done with this. We are done. Thumbnail, change, tier list. Okay, tier list. Save. All right. It's taking forever for some reason. Kitty image protocol is currently best implementation of images inside terminal. Kitty is usually pretty good as a terminal and as a terminal that brings new concepts to terminals, I think. Alright, I guess we cannot edit this anymore. We got cancelled by a tier list maker, so this is the final tier list. Yeah, I hope everyone is happy. Probably not, but do I care? Probably not. So all good, guys. Thanks for someone should do a seller of Kaden with Ratatouille. What is that? Ghosty also supports Kitty, if I recall correctly. Westterm is pretty good when it comes to image support. The universe just told you this list was heretical from the moment HTML5 got treated like a real language. Ironically, it was HTML5 that jinxed itself. It's a sign. It's a sign, bro. It's a sign. Everyone's equally happy and unhappy. Yes. That's perfect. That's perfect. I think that's fair. Zero bias and only facts, you know. Is a game super popular? Yeah, I mean, more terminal games. Love terminal games. Actually, guys, let's play a game. You guys have Super Tux Kart? Let's play a game real quick. How do I play though? Online, let's do online. Global networking. That's my username, come on. Are you serious? Do I need to enter password? By the way, for New Year's, I'm planning to... Shit, I cannot log in. I don't know my password. We cannot play. For the New Year's, I'm planning to play Minecraft. If anyone is interested, live. If I can find 5 people that wants to play Minecraft tomorrow, in 2 days, let's do it. Hello, Link. Welcome. How's it going? Check out this tier list. It's perfect, right? You cannot edit it, by the way. It's the final one. It is, yeah, it's great. Come on, it's great. So yeah, I might do a Minecraft live stream, because that's what I did last year. You know, I feel like it's a tradition now, you know, these live streams. But yeah. Rat detective. Live streaming gaming would be fun. Absolutely. It became the law, nobody can modify it anymore. Yeah, it's just a picture now. I'm gonna just print it and put it on my wall or something. Ranking Rust and CPP same tier is a crime. What do you mean CPP is same tier? It's here. This is HolyC. HolyC is S tier. We have 2 Rusts here, by the way, so I mean, come on. Nothing can beat Rust, because there's like 2 Rusts, so you're good. How can I get this signed copy of? Yeah, right. How can I send a photo on YouTube chat? Let's do a poll. Are you satisfied with this tier list? Start a poll. Let's see. Everyone will just say no, no, yes, no. Let's see. I'm so curious. 2 votes, guys. Come on, just vote. Yes, no. It's 50-50. Thank God I thought it was C++. Why can't I press both? What is Gleamlang used for? Good question for the chat. Excluding a few points, yes. Yes and no choice. Yes and no. There's no yes and no. There's only yes and no. But I see 7 votes. I mean, mostly you guys seem to be alright with it. So, good. I might actually show it on stream, because if anyone's watching this later, they might say, "Hey, I don't see what you're talking about." Where's the chat? There you go. I think it's pretty fair. It's pretty fair. Nine votes. 67% yes. Caleb is voting from multiple accounts. I think it's just like no, 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 no. What the fuck is this list? Hello, KSNB BY. Gleam is probably the best language static type system that runs on Beam. ASM, x64 or ARM. Both. I think Zig will be S tier in the future. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Might be the only one. Gleam there's so much hype surrounding Gleam. So yeah, I might check it out. Trying to remember all my YouTube logins. Caleb, man. C++ S tier. I mean, dude, come on. It's not S tier. If you're talking about this is C Holy, okay? It's not C++. But if you're saying C++ should be S tier, why? I'm just curious why. I've been yapping for 1.5 hours straight about programming languages. I'm just questioning my existence right now. I'm gonna post this on socials tomorrow, and I'm gonna have some popcorn. I voted no because you included meme langs like Zig and F#. Fair enough, Ferris. Fair enough. Fair enough. I cannot judge you for that. I mean, I understand it. How could Haskell be B? Why Latex trash though? Wait, Caleb, the Arch package maintainer? Yeah, that's the guy. Why Go is ranked A? Bro, okay, I'll be honest, guys. I got bribed, okay? Money is so sweet, man, you know? Like, I gotta be honest here. Google reached out to me and said, hey, dude, we know that you're gonna do a tier list stream, just put Go on A tier. Take these cheese rolls and cheese whatever, melted cheese. And I'm like, alright, I mean, I'll take it. I mean, otherwise I would put it in B, but it's A tier, okay? I'm just saying. Family language F tier. What are you saying? I'm gonna actually end the poll right now because I started to get to 50% on the yes vote. I think I'm gonna just end the poll here. Thanks to everyone who voted. So 55% yes, I think that's good enough. Your eyes on that Koshi Kubernetes ghost tag. If Microsoft paid, would you put TypeScript to top? Nah. A. I would put it on A, but not on S tier. Come on. On S tier is too strong for that. S tier we have assembly, bash, HolyC, and Ratatouille. I mean, come on. Go must be A before Microsoft touched it. Yeah, good one. Good. I like the way you think. Exactly. That's what I think too. Zig is. I mean, I think the most fair ranking here is Zig. It's just good. It's not like S tier. It's not alright. It's not like alright tier. It's not meh tier. It's just good, you know. Perl in B tier enlightens my heart. Yeah, dude. I'm just looking forward to people's reactions on this on social media. Like, it's gonna be so fun. I'll just, you know, like last year, I don't know what I did, but I think I shared this tier list image and live stream link as, like, you know, as explanation of why this happened, and so many angry people showed up in the comments, man. It was so fun. Zig is next, Rust. I'm just having fun, guys. I hope you don't take me seriously on this, but I'm low-key serious about some things here too. Like, come on, Rust is good, right? That's why I started with Rust. Elixir on C tier. Zig 1.0 is not out yet, but they are following Rust's up when it comes to tooling and community. Let's wish Microsoft never uses it. Yeah. Risk closure. It's not on this year's list, and we cannot edit this year's list anymore. We got cancelled by tier list maker. They just kicked us from the website. I couldn't download the image. They removed all my custom images, so we're cooked. I'm pour some water right now. Just pouring some water. I think this is a very fair comparison. I agreed for as long as Rust was the only thing on the chart. I think everyone can agree on that. That would be like an easy one. I would just like end the live stream after 5 minutes If there was only Rust, we just put it in an S tier and done. Boom. TeamMaker tried canceling us. Now it's time to rewrite this Rust. Where's Scratch, bro? It's here. You don't see it, but it's here on D tier. It's just behind me. C isn't. Y is not on S tier. I mean Y. I mean C is good, but not S. Right? Right? Like, this is the explanation. This is like, this is the tactic of making the other person feel bad. It's not like a logical explanation. It's not like an actual explanation, but like making them feel bad is an explanation. So why C is not an S tier? What do you mean, right? How come JS better than TS? Because TS owned by Microsoft. Easy. I can answer all the questions that you might have about this list. I'm pretty satisfied with my decisions right now. Guys, you can clearly see that it deserves its place. Yeah, I see that. For sure. Why is C sharp is C? What? Oh, okay, sorry. Why C sharp is C? Because on B we have OCaml, and on D we have Visual Basic. I think that explains it. Everything makes sense. Everything comes down to the balance of the universe, the balance of the programming languages. The tier list is all about balance. It's perfection. This thing over here is 100% perfect. C# dog water. What? It's Microsoft's Java, it must be Z. We don't have that tier here. And yeah, it's just like that. It's just like that. So Gleam streams coming in 2026, so before GTA 6, probably. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and like and hit the notifications. Let's get it. You still didn't explain ranking of Go. Who's paying you, bro? I'm telling you, brother. There's a company called. They're gonna kill me for saying this, but there's a company called Charm. Look it up. NeoVim versus Helix. Bro, watch my previous stream. It was all about NeoVim. And just see, you'll see how painful it was to set up New Shell. No idea. Actually, I have an idea, but I don't have an idea to rank it or whatever. Oops, I just closed my tier list. Sorry guys, my bad. I'm gonna just pull it up here. Boom. Charm, the goated Go devs. Yeah, I'll apply for a job there. Actually, I'll just write Go, rewrite Ratatouille in Go or something. I'm joking. That was a joke. That was a joke. Will you try Hyperland? Probably at some point. I just have to. The pressure is too much. I just have to try it. New Shell is bashed on right. Isn't Charm supposed to be your enemy? No comment. Where's Snowball? What is Snowball? Wait, what the hell is Snowball? Jesus, man. God damn. It's a toilet bowl cleaner. Got it, but it's too niche for this list, I think. Vim better. Yeah, Vim definitely better. Assembly script. Assembly script. I don't know. No comment on that one. Where's rustlang? It's here, bruh. It's on the S tier. Come on. Rustlang is on S tier. Where's WebAssembly? Yeah, it's nowhere. Neri would be. Yeah, I mean, Neri, like, pressure is too much. I gotta just try it out. Neri, Hyperland, or whatever the cool kids are using these days, I gotta try it out. V is better than Vim. Elm, Ruck. People, I'm gonna explain this again. We got banned from tier list maker. We got cancelled. They just kicked us out, so cannot add new languages. I'm sorry about that, but they saw this horrible mess and they're like, bro, no, you're not doing any more tier lists. They just kicked us out. Like, yeah, it was recorded on the live stream. You can just rewind and watch. What is the start thing? It's Gleam. It's the new thing that all the cool kids are using, I think. That's what I observed, but not a Gleam person yet. Gleam streams 2026 coming soon. Hit the bell, subscribe, like the video, and whatever. It's coming soon, people. Man, I'm so sleepy. I gotta go to sleep. I've been yapping for 2 hours straight. Oh my god. At least the music is kind of good now. It's called it's from Rat Detective, by the way. If you wanna listen to this type of jazz, just search Rat Detective on YouTube. You'll find these type of stuff. What about B? B is just B. B is B tier. We don't have B anymore though. I'd really like to hear your thoughts on new shell. I think I tried it out briefly and I felt like it would be really efficient if I spend some time with it and just like get fluent with it. If I really integrate it into my workflow, I think it has the potential of just being something very efficient. But unfortunately, I didn't spend enough time to learn it and integrate it into my workflow. So those are my thoughts. But I like it. Your voice feels like you need to sleep at least for compile time of a Tory project. Fucking hell, bruh. Don't say that. I think their backends are written in Python or something and can handle all the Rust and thus putting their lang to mid tier. Oh, you mean the new shell? Are you the founder of Ratatouille? Yes, I'm the founder and chief executive officer of Ratatouille. I am the chief cheese officer. I'm CCO. Okay, that's me. Chief chef. I'm the chef cheese officer, not chief. I'm the chef. That sounds better actually. That's better. I'm gonna put it on LinkedIn. I might actually put it on LinkedIn. Oh no, the tier maker's back. I got it. Sorry, my bad. Oh man, I really need to sleep. Sleep while the Tory project is compiling or something. When and how did you come up with it? Bro, they're like conference talks and stuff like that that I explain the whole thing. But in short, it's just open source. Is the South African offer to me? You know, when I always wanted to have I always want to work on a library that has some ties to rats. So when I saw the opportunity, I was like, this is it. Who let you cook? It's a good question. But nobody actually let me cook. I mean, in the beginning, I was like just watching some cooking videos, and I'm like, okay, I can be a cook too, you know. Anyone can cook. Now I'm saying, like, anyone can cook. Let's just have this thing as our motto, okay? So I was like, okay, I can cook. So I just let myself cook. Sometimes in life there are struggles, you know, there are like obstacles, and sometimes you just don't need any external motivation. You just have to have the internal motivation. So at that point in my life, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna block myself, I'm not gonna limit myself on this, I'm just gonna let myself cook. So I cooked. He doesn't know why he had to cook, bro. Don't say that, man. Come on, dude. That sounds very sad. You know what? Maybe I have a wife, you don't know. And secondly, I have a rat chef. I have the rat chef. So this fellow over here cooks for me. But usually I cook. I mean, the terminal stuff that you're seeing, they're all cooked by me and him. Rust overrated. I agree with that, actually. Not gonna lie. Rust is kind of overrated. You know, last year I was saying it's not fun to write Rust anymore because it's not like the cool kids thing. It's more like the mainstream cool thing. So yeah, season 8 here below Bash. Yeah, he is built. Yeah, hope Disney don't get mad at using the name heavily inspired by their IP. I think if they discovered that could be good marketing. Ban. Okay, maybe ban me as well. Why are you jobless, man? I'm not jobless. I'm just an open source developer, okay? It's the same thing, I know, but don't say that. That's offensive. Just made it offensive myself. Oh my god, I'm dying, guys. Sorry if I'm just like, I'm just high on programming languages, brother. I'm just high on programming languages. I've been yapping for 2 hours straight. Bro, you are fucking cracked. You're done. You're done. The chat bullying the shit out of you right now. I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I love you. I love each one of you. I don't care what you say. I actually care deeply. Anyways, is Linux any good? Yes, it is. It's pretty good. Do you speak Spanish? No, I wish. Angie, I don't know. I gotta sleep at some point, but yeah, whatever. Do some lead code easy. You're at Google. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm just waiting to hit the 2-hour mark on this live stream. I'm just yapping. Just keep yapping, okay? But it was funny. All of you guys just making fun of me. It was funny. Damn. Now I understand the big streamers where they have like this, the chat is just going like brr, you know, like it's just like floating and shit, and everyone was just like making fun of them. It's fun. Tier list of spoken languages next. Actually, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. If we survive this one, if we survive this tier list, we can do another one. How about that? Because I'm not sure if we will actually survive this one. You might get cancelled too hard. You might get like absolutely cancelled. Like the career is just gonna be over after this or something. Why are you hating on Typescript? It's Microsoft. We're waiting for tier maker to remove our ban actually. Yeah. We just gotta unban ourselves from tier maker first, then we can make another one. So two things, guys. If you don't like, if you survive this tier list, we can do another one, and if we get like unbanned from tier list maker, we can do another tier list. But yeah. Are you Turkish? Yes. I'm gonna post this tier list on social media tomorrow, and if you don't hear back from me in the next 24 hours, assume the worst, okay? Assume the worst. I'm gonna just end everything in 2025 at that point. You're such a good coder. Do you even want to work in big tech, or will you stay jobless? Yeah, maybe one day would be nice. If I have the right skill set to pass all the interviews and right mindset to work in that environment would be nice. I think pretty good. If spoken languages were programming languages, Rust is Turkish. Absolutely agreed. JavaScript, English, etc. Man, Caleb, finally we're on the same page, man. It's good to hear that we're on the same page. As a Windows 11 user, C# deserves hate. Wouldn't it be good to have a tier list maker in a terminal? Just an idea. Yeah, I think somebody else brought that up as well. I think it would be great to have it in the terminal. Absolutely. When is the ranking of IDEs and coding agents? Bro, that would give me a lot of subscribers and a lot of views. But yeah. If I make it as a video or some short form content would be nice, but no, I mean, yeah, it's not super interesting for me at least, so yeah. Haskell, German, Python, Spanish, OCaml, French. Caleb knows his shit, guys. Caleb knows his shit. Wait, what? Where is ChatGPT in the tier list? ChatGPT is not a language, man. Come on, man. Include open code and you're the GOAT. Bro, what the fuck? 9 years of committing is crazy, bro. What the fuck? You don't need interviews. Bro, the world doesn't work like that. I mean, I wish it works like that. Like, I wish I could just like walk into the company building and just like, you know, just hang out there, but it doesn't work like that, sadly. Nobody gives a shit if you have, like, if you build some cool projects, or if you committed for a certain period of time. They don't care. Usually it just boils down to like those are just like nice bonuses, you know. Everyone cares about Rust, don't get me wrong, but like you still need to go through the interview process, and you still need to do all the things that you need to do. So you cannot just walk in. I wish To be honest, Claude and ChatGPT should be there because I was using it for coding anyways. I'm using Codex, guys, because it's been ratatouillefied. Just print your commit history, boom. Tier list so far seems fair, but in my opinion, C++ deserves at least A tier. Yeah, I mean, we could negotiate on that, maybe. You have so much knowledge, dude. What do you need to learn? Be for real. Yeah, I mean, I'm just a rat. I'm just a rat. Something's wrong with my PC today, man. It's just lagging. Maybe it's all the backdoors that I'm getting from the Arch packages because of Klab. It's just like making everything so slow. Can I DM you on LinkedIn? Go for it, man. In my opinion, being paid doing OSS is the end goal, even for FANG engineers. You're the owner of your company, keep cooking. Appreciate the comment, man. Appreciate, yeah. Living the dream right now. I mean, it's not super sustainable at times, but we're just cooking, man. We're just cooking, you know? Just cooking. Wait, OpenAI is using Rustlang library for Codex? Yeah. Yeah, they are. They're using it for Codex. Actually, we have a new website and we are flexing in that one. If you go to our new website, you can see all the companies that are using Rustlang and also their projects. If you click on these, you'll get to their projects. So AWS is using it for something. OpenAI is using it for Codex and so on. So just check out ratatouille.rs and you'll see. Also, while we're at it, let me just paste my sponsorship page. If you want to sponsor me, if you sponsor your local homie, if you want to sponsor your local open source developer, local homeless, no, not homeless, I'm just joking, but if you want to sponsor this crazy dude who created this tier list, go for it, guys. Send me €2. Gonna go for good purposes, you know. Join Grindhouse. Ferris, I love you, man. Best moderator ever. I'm glad Transistor is not here, but you're doing a great job at this moderator duty, man. You're really good at it, I gotta say. So we have a community, we have this Discord. If you want to come to Discord and hang out with us, go for it. There's this link, and I think we just hit no, we still have a 1 minute until 2 hour mark, and I'm just gonna crash, actually. Just gonna I don't know what will happen. I'm so tired. Man, programming languages are difficult. Is this website running on the web, or have you been building? Not yet, but soon. There will be live WebAssembly Ratatouille demos on the website very soon. We are working on it. How you doing, man? Hope you had a good Christmas. We just grinded the whole Christmas, man. What is that? We just like worked on stuff. The stream is going to panic in 1 minute. Yeah, I gotta go, people. I gotta go. Thank you for joining, everyone. I'm gonna share the tier list on my socials tomorrow, and I'm gonna share it on the community tab on YouTube. So if you wanna see what's we've been cooking or whatever, just gonna see it there. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please make us everything for our objective. See. Good night, guys. No, you are amazing, man. I'm just a rat. I'll see you on the next one, people. I'm slowly leaving the stream. Thank you for joining. And I don't know. I'm just descending, I guess. I'm just fucking descending. Oh my god. Shit. Alright guys, take care, alright? Goodbye. I'm out. Fuck, how am I gonna stop the stream now? Jesus. Actually, PHP is just S tier. And I'm just gonna move everything else to F tier. I'm just gonna put PHP in S tier, man. You gotta just be real in this one. Like, come on, you know. I just waited until the end to just speak the facts, but PHP is just good, man. PHP is just great.